I love that. This is going to be another money video. You will not believe how easy this money method is. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, it was supposed to stick. But this is just about putting paper on poles, literally. It sounds ridiculous, but I'm gonna show you how you can make $100 a day taping paper to poles. And if you think this is clickbait, if you think this is unreal, if you think this doesn't make sense, that's because it is pretty crazy, but it is real, and I'll show you how. And this is actually how I got started, is putting up flyers just like this one. Oh, $100 a day, taping paper to poles. Let me check out this email and send them a message asking them how. And that is how you get started. So let's go into the method. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. You can do this no matter what country you're from. You can do this no matter what age you are. You can do this no matter if you have any money whatsoever. All you need is an email account, and you need to be able to print out a piece of paper. So let's get started. Check out this money method. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step, front to back, how you can start earning money doing this. Step 1 will be posting flyers. Step 2 will be setting up your email. Step 3 will be setting up affiliate links. And step number 4 will be making money. And you will be able to get paid the money through either PayPal, through a bank check sent to your address, or through a wire transfer to your bank account. Any one of those 3 methods you choose. Let's get into this. Let's get started. Let me explain this all step by step right here on my computer. Let's get it. Woo! Marketing is fun. You know, I love marketing, and I don't know if you can tell. And if you know this is the #1 money channel on YouTube, type in #1 money channel on YouTube, because I love marketing and I want to show you how easy it is to market things and make money doing it. It's a lot of fun. You just gotta do it and have fun doing it, and you start making some money. So this method, you're taping paper to poles, and you're getting people to respond to you via email. And when they get that email, they get a link to a product, which is your affiliate link right there, and they buy the product, you make money. Now there's a lot of people walking around on the streets of the world, probably like 7 billion, I don't know, something like that. Everybody exists somewhere. So you can make money taping paper up and getting their attention. You can do this whatever country you're in. It's one of the easiest methods I could possibly ever think of to make money. So it's a great way to get started. And in fact, this is how I got started. Again, if you don't know who I am, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you already know this is gonna be good, because it's gonna be good. But when I started making money, it was in 2009. It was about 10 years ago. Yeah, 2009. I didn't really have much to sell, but I knew how to speak English and I was all right at math. So I said I was gonna sell tutoring services. And what I did was I put up flyers, just like this one, albeit a little bit smaller, you know, normal paper sized. And I put them around my college campus. And I offered people, I said, I will help you get better grades in your class. I tested out a lot of different headlines. Tested out about 15 different headlines before I got one that started making me money. I went out for months trying to get people to contact me through my flyers and send me an email. And most of the time I put up these flyers and nobody would tear a tab, and it was really depressing, right? I failed again, right? I would go out 2 times a week, every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 a.m. and put up flyers all around college. Put up flyers, nobody would tear my tab, and I could have gotten sad and said, I'm fail, and this doesn't work, and you know, it's somebody else's fault, and you know, people in college are broke, and blamed it on everybody else, right? I could have done that, right? I see the comments, everything, you know, it doesn't work, marketing doesn't work. Whiners, please, if you're a whiner or complainer or negative person, please unsubscribe from my channel immediately. I'm giving you a chance, because I don't want you here, frankly. I don't want you here. Whiners and negative people, please unsubscribe. I don't need you in my life. But I kept a positive attitude, and I said, I'm gonna figure out what message is gonna get people to want my tutoring services, because I knew I had something of value to offer the world. And what I did was I kept testing these new headlines, right? And I finally found a winner after about 15 different attempts, about 8 weeks of going out twice a week. I returned to my flyer and I saw every tab was torn. People had taken every single tab, and I got a number of people contacting me for my tutoring services, and I started making some money, and it was really cool. My audience was totally Asian international students, which I was not expecting. I thought it was gonna be like white people or something, but it wasn't. It was all the Asian international students. They needed the most help with school. Long story short, but that made me about $10,000 a month during college. Pretty neat, right? $10,000 a month during college, running my own business, zero costs. That's how you get started. But let's go into this. I'm gonna give you everything. I'm gonna give you my whole template for how you can make money doing this method. So first off, I'm gonna give you the flyer template that I used in college that you can use. Now, the way this method works is you're going to be selling my product. I'm not doing this for charity. Let's face it, people. I'm here to make money. Are you here to make money? Because I'm here to make money. I'm here for us to both make money, right? And when you sell my product, you get 50%, I get 50%. That's fair, right? So you're gonna be selling my product and I make 50%, you make 50%. Now you can use this same marketing method to sell any product around, okay? Any product you want, but this method works. If you wanna sell skincare supplements or diet supplements, or you wanna sell whatever, like food or trolls or whatever, go out, do it. Be part of any affiliate program, but I'm gonna give you templates for my own. Let's get into this right here. So once again, you don't need any money to do this. You can be part of any country, any age. You don't need any experience. You just need to be willing to open your mind and have a little fun. Let's get into it. So the file you'll want to open up where the resource is this file right here. You'll want to go to johncrestani.com/resource, which is this file, and it'll open up this page, which will give you all of my free traffic methods, all of my marketing methods that I posted so far to make money online. Now, where we want to go is we want to go to the one that says flyer promotion right there, and we will click that and we'll go down to this section. Now, to get my template you'll want to use for posting around the city, you'll want to use my from home template, okay? A separate video where I go over how to use the college template. But the from home template gives you access. You'll want to click download on this template right there, see right there, and that'll allow you to download the file, okay? So it'll just appear and it'll download and right there. So this will give you a document that is this right here. I just opened it up and it says earn extra money from your home, question mark. It has some testimonials, which are real people. You can look them up. Ryan Dinnabill was working at Arcade. He makes tens of thousands of dollars a month. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, who's a bartender who makes millions of dollars a year. And how you make money guaranteed, again, for promotions. Again, I always say this, my videos are for entertainment purposes only, right? Results may vary. Results, are not guaranteed, all that stuff. But so write whatever's gonna work in your country or whatever. But this is good. This is a good template. And you'll want to replace the areas that are different. So you'll see it says your email at Gmail. So that means you have to, make this your email. So contact, let's say your name is bugsbunny@gmail.com, right? So you'll write in your own email there instead. I hope that makes sense. You have to put your email address there. So you'll once again write in, whatever it is, bugsbunny@gmail.com. Because this is how people are going to contact you. Again, you're going to have your email on these little tabs, which I already tore off because it was so popular. But those little tabs are where people get your email. And see, there's about a dozen right here. So each flyer is 10 potential people contacting you. Okay, so that's how this works. Now, the second step is we are going to set up your email. Okay, your email account. So what we want to do is we want to go to Gmail. I know how this works in Gmail, so I would suggest you use a Gmail account, but I'm sure you can set up this up in other accounts. But we'll want to go over to this settings icon right there, okay? See that right there? We click settings and settings. Hope everybody saw that. We went to settings right there and settings up here, this and then that. And once we're on this general tab under settings, we're gonna scroll down and go to where it says vacation autoresponder. So what you're essentially getting here is you're actually getting a email autoresponder without ever never having to pay for any setup or fancy pants software. This is just super easy. And what we're gonna select is we're gonna select, we're gonna have it start, and then we're gonna say away on vacation. Okay, that's the subject line. And I have the notes for you here. See, it says subject line away on vacation. And then you can use this message here, okay? And you'll want to insert your affiliate link where this link is, okay? It says watch this entire presentation. Now, keep in mind that my best students, they test new things. They test different messages or headlines or text. With the flyers themselves, my best students test. They measure. They put up 10 flyers of one, 10 flyers of the other, and they see which one gets more responses. You can do this really simply. If you set up 2 email accounts and have 2 different types of flyers, you put up 50 of each. One has one headline, one has another, and you see which email account gets more responses. Then you figure out why. That's what I did. When I was posting up flyers around college, I noticed that the flyers I posted up at the business school got the highest response. Flyers I posted up other places didn't. And the other thing you'll notice here is you can just look at who tears the tabs, frankly. That's the easiest way. Let's go into this. So I put this thing here, but we'll need to change this link to your own affiliate link, okay? So how do we change this link? So we have to set up an affiliate link. So first, we have to either go to ClickBank and create an account, okay, right there. And then you'd go to the affiliate marketplace and you would search my name, Crestani, and you would find my product, the Super Affiliate System, right there. You'll make $500 every time you get a sale. So if you make 1 sale a week, you're getting $100 a day, okay? Or technically $500 a week. It doesn't matter. If you're a smart guy, get off the channel too. No, I'm not. No, I'm joking. Now I'm turning into a dictator, right? But check this out. So go here, you click promote, and you get a link. Okay, put in your account name, generate hop link. There you go, you get your link copy. ClickBank pays out through a bank check sent to your address or a bank wire sent to your bank account. They accept mostly people from United States and Europe. The other way to do marketing is to actually use Digistore. Digistore is run by this weird German guy in a man bun right here. And he is very smart because Germans just are smarter than us usually. So what you'll do is you'll register an account. I have links in the description, okay? To get to these sites, use the links in the description. If you don't use my link, you probably won't get accepted as easily. And use the links in the description, register now. You can sign up for Digistore. And when you're signed in, what you'll do is you will go to the marketplace section right here. Digistore will accept any country in the world, any country, and they will pay you through PayPal. Tell me what you like better. So Digistore has less products. They have 75 products and ClickBank has 4,000. So let me know what you like better in the comments. If you've signed up for ClickBank, if you signed up for Digistore, if you're signing up for both. Okay, let me know in the comments below. Say Digistore, ClickBank, or both in the comments. I'd love to know which one you guys are more interested in. To get the links here, you'll just click this, you'll click copy right there, and you'll see my product is the #1 selling product in their marketplace. And that's for a reason. We have a really good funnel and you send people to the training and it works, okay? So it sells very good. You'll make about $500 per sale from Digistore as well, and they pay weekly. So we'll go back here. So we got our link copied, right? And if you want to see my link, it looks like this, right? So I'll copy my link and then I will highlight this. So you want to select this button right there, which means link. Then we paste it in here. See, we have our link, click OK. Then we want to say notification autoresponder on. You want to make sure you send it to everybody, not just people in your contacts. Then you click save changes. That's how the system works. People, give this a big thumbs up and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Was that easy or what? Okay, I cannot tell you how easy this method is to put into action. I'm not even going into depth to explain to you the marketing psychology of the flyer that I gave you. I could spend a day explaining how simple and easy and the testimonials and the social proof and the risk reversals and the calls to action headlines are built to make this work for you and make us both money, because I need my money. I'm hungry. And I want you to be hungry too. So have fun, put this into action. And where can you market this? What I want you to do is put ideas in the comments, but I would say you'd want to market this where generally entrances and exits to buildings are good. Places where people mull about, like poles, right? Like street lights on the corners where people hang out, where there's a lot of foot traffic. And that's why corners, poles, like street lights on the corners are the best, because oftentimes people are waiting to cross the street and they see a flyer and it says they can earn money working from home. Who doesn't want to earn money working from home? Everybody does. Nobody wants to actually work a job. Okay, so you can help people understand how they can start earning money at home, and you can give them an opportunity and give them free training and make money helping them out. Tape flyers to polls, have fun doing marketing. Marketing is a great profession. And if you love learning marketing and you know this is the #1 money channel on YouTube, type in #1 money channel, because that's what we're doing here. We're having fun learning marketing. I hope you subscribe and hit the notification bell to learn every week. I'm coming out with new ways that you can put marketing into practice. Have fun doing it and earn us both money at the same time. How does it get better than that? It doesn't. So I want to see you doing this. Take action. If you're taking action, let my action takers know. Say, I'm taking action, hungry for money. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.